Investment and insurance company UAP Holdings slid into a 518 million shillings loss position in the full year ended December 28 as the business took a hit from a number of adverse factors. Julian Samboko takes a look at the numbers.
In the 12 months ended December 2018, UAP Holdings' performance tanked by 185%, leaving the investment and insurance company with a loss after tax of 518 million shillings. Considerable drivers of this performance were losses attributable to the company's investment in the corporate bond of embattled cement maker Athi River Mining, which accounted for 38% of the 780 million shilling impairment loss. UAP's investment income also dipped by 20% to 2.9 billion shillings, further dragging the company's performance.
That bottom line performance is influenced by the performance of the equities market, in particular the Nairobi Securities Exchange, which was down almost 25%.
In 2018, UAP's performance was also derailed by lethargic growth in the company's earnings from premiums, something the top management says is as a result of growing caution in onboarding new businesses due to the consideration of the risk profile in the market.
We are maintaining a very disciplined approach to underwriting, ensuring that we properly price the risks that we take onto our books, and that exercise has meant that our top line has been flat or slightly declining.
It is not the first loss being reported for the financial year 2018, and as companies look into the remaining 8 months of the year, they are betting on a more bullish business environment to help lift their numbers. Julian Amboko, NTV.